Offers are exciting until the paperwork starts. Here's the Temescal Valley walkthrough of escrow, inspections, appraisal, and closing so you can breathe easy. Now, congratulations, you've accepted an offer. Now what? In Temescal Valley, your path to sold runs through 5 milestones: buyer's deposit, inspections, appraisal, loan approval, and closing. So let's demystify each step so you know exactly what's next. Number 1, buyer's EMD or earnest money deposit. Within a few days of acceptance per the contract, the buyer wires the deposit into escrow. This signals commitment and triggers timelines. We verify the wire with escrow directly, never by email alone, and confirm receipts so everyone knows that we're on track. Number 2, disclosures and document flow. California is disclosure heavy for good reason. You'll complete standardized forms detailing the home's condition, known issues, and improvements. We prep those in advance where possible to prevent bottlenecks. Buyers who feel informed are more confident and less likely to renegotiate later. Number 3 is inspections. Expect a general home inspection plus specialists if needed, such as roof, termite, HVAC. Our strategy is be responsive, present documentation on upgrades and maintenance, and separate age-appropriate wear from true defects. If repairs are warranted, we discuss whether repairing or crediting is smarter based on timing, contractor availability, and buyer loan type. Number 4 is the appraisal. If the buyer is financing, an appraiser will visit to confirm the value for the lender. We proactively provide a package, comparables from your micro neighborhood, a feature list such as solar ownership, views, a lot size and upgrades, and access notes. If the value comes in short, we negotiate options, price adjustment, buyer adding cash, or dispute with better comparables. Number 5 is loan approval and conditions. The lender will issue conditional approval while they verify income, assets, and the property. We track milestones with the buyer's agent and lender so you always know the status. No guessing. Clear to close is our green light for signing. Next is walkthrough and signing. A few days before closing, the buyer does a final walkthrough to confirm condition. You'll sign grant deed documents with escrow, often with a mobile notary, and we coordinate your move-out timing and any seller in possession or rent back you negotiated. For closing day, funds arrive to escrow, deed records with the county, and we deliver keys. Now here's a pro tip. Set up email forwarding and utility transfers ahead of time. We provide a checklist so nothing gets missed. Now, what can derail an escrow and how we prevent it? Number 1, surprise findings. We pre-front load information so minor issues don't become major concessions. Appraiser gaps. We prep comparables and value notes for the appraisal. Loan delays. We maintain weekly check-ins with lenders and keep your timeline realistic. Emotion. Selling a home is personal. We keep the process businesslike and focused on outcomes. And what is your role versus our role? You make the big decisions. We quarterback the details. Timelines, documents, coordination with escrow, vendors, and the other agent. So you're never left wondering what's next. Do you want our escrow roadmap for Temescal Valley? Timelines, checklists, and what to expect? Click the link in the description for a 15-minute discovery call, and we'll provide that to you.